Hey guys, Mr. Chris160 here from YouTube. This is a switch up from some of my normal videos, which is all guitar and bass covers. Today I thought I might give a demonstration on running my Mamod steam tractor and also give a full driving lesson on how to actually drive it if you're somewhat a beginner like me. This should be a handy clip for you. So first of all, before we start our driving lesson and demo run, let's just have a look at all the controls and see what they all do. This is the ash bed with fuel tablets here. Late fire to these and you push it into the firebox. Got the water gauge here. Water needs to go up just about there and halfway mark in order for it to actually work. Got the whistle, which can be pretty good when it wants to be. Driving wheel, which drives the wheels, not the front two, but this main one here, which goes up to there. Main cylinder there. The reverser, forward, off, reverse. Cylinder, which drives the wheels. Safety valve, this is just the water. This is just for the water, this here. Cylinders to go to the funnel, where you can sort the driving rod. And that's really about it. You've got the oil here as well. Excuse me. And safety valve, which is not in because I need to put water in. And you've got the canopy there. And that's optional whether you have that on or off. Okay. Right, before I start driving it, I've got to oil it up. So, main places to oil it would be the cylinder, just round around there so it can slide in and out. It's wrong. Then the main cylinder for the wheels, right along the top here. And the other place is around about where the wheel is, so it can turn properly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and add the water. I'm just using a cup for now. Quite a couple of dobs you have to put in until it actually fills the top. So bear with me. You just need to get it all the way up to that little mark there. I'm spilling it everywhere now. Stupid me. Oh, come on. No matter though, it is filling. It's nearly full actually, surprisingly. And what that'll also do. Sometimes just move it around a bit just to make sure that it's in the halfway mark. Maybe a little bit more. About there probably. That's right, that's fine. Okay, now I can take the water filler out and then put the safety valve on. Screw that right into place. Make sure it's really, really tight, otherwise it won't work properly. It needs to be really tight so all the steam can be kept in and so it won't blow off. It's a bit hard to get on when you have the boiler all wet after you fill it up with water. Anyway, there you go. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire it up. So take me Mamod fuel tablets. Can't even use a lighter to be honest, but I'll try anyway. Okay, that's fine. Put that in. Oh god, it's gone out again. Oh god. Okay, let's try again. Take the fuel tablet there. Okay, so that's lighting now. Take it over to your fuel tablet so you can set that on. If it will go on, that is. That's better. Okay, so now it's lit, so we can now set it into the tractor. Now we're going to set it to mid-gear so it doesn't roll off anywhere. So as you can see, it's lighting fairly quickly now against the other fuel tablet. So it should a bit long for it to fire up actually. So come back to me in a few minutes, and then it'll be ready. Okay guys, I'm back again. As you can see, I've put the canopy on just to make it look nice. Screwed it completely on so it doesn't fall off. If you can hear it, you can hear the pressure building up already. It takes about nearly 5 to 10 minutes just for it to light up, which is a bit ridiculous to be honest. But that's it, just building up nicely now. Try the whistle out. No, nothing yet. Not enough steam in it yet. Let's see, water valve still okay. Definitely won't move yet. Safety valve still nice and tight, as I've checked. Wheels are still alright. What I'll do is that when I've then put it on the floor, because I need to hold up at the canopy now, is that I'll need to put the steering rod in once put it on. So it screws into the top of the whistle right there. And get it in. Chooses a drop. But that's when when I run it, I'll just insert it straight away. The whistle again. You can hear a little bit of pressure coming out now, a bit of steam. Jumping onto it's going now. Yeah, it's going alright. Okay, what I think I'll do now is that I'll put it on the floor. So, pick it up in a minute. Okay. Okay, go. Okay. Steam tractor is now on the floor, still building up. I think what I'll do now is I'll put the steering rod on, so they'll be ready to go. See it's steaming a little bit there. If you can see. What did that? Huh, something went wrong though. No, that's alright. Right, I'll try running it now. My little camera skills are rubbish. Here we are again, guys. The steam tractor is now running, and it's just looking brilliant. You can actually see a bit of smoke coming from the chimney. I never knew you were supposed to do that, to be honest. Stop it there. See, the water's fine. Whistle fully works now, which is brilliant. Pushing the reverse gear now. Give a toot on the whistle to let anyone know it's coming. And then turn the wheel back just to get it going. And then use the fuel rod. Use the driving rod, sorry. Quite honestly, it's not its best running backwards, I don't know why. So I will stop it and put it in forwards. Ouch! Thing just burnt me. What's that about? Put the finger thing back on. Finger. See on the whistle. And then wheel again. Wheel again. Wheel again. There we go. Quite honestly, it was running brilliantly for a couple of minutes. Now it's just over some decided to die down. Can't really blame it, to be honest. Might stop a minute so you can see the live steam. Seeing this is what it's mainly used for. Look who's dying down now after a good little run. The wheel going again. Just for its last legs. Nah, it's dying down now. Take it back to where it's started off from. Little last legs now. And that's it. Just put the ink on here. Now I'll get the tractor off. And that's about it. Nice little run I had there. Check the whistle's still going. Still full of pressure, surprisingly. I think I'll take the fuel tablets out now. Still going a little bit. Not anymore. Put those in the bin. It's alright. And now I'll just take the screw off. Put it on a minute. Take the canopy off. And there we have it. Steam's died out instantly. Won't bother touching it because it'll still be red hot, so I'll put some water in now just to cool it down and put it in middle gear. Okay, well that was my Mamod steam tractor and lesson-ish. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned to my channel for more guitar bass covers and possibly maybe even another train cover. Because I've got my train stuff built up now as well. Okay, Mr. Chris out. Peace. In a bit.